You guys? Oh shit, that's a whole tiger. Yeah! Rolling Loud
If you want your only money, better save. Love the haters, let them on my back. When a rich nigga want you, and your nigga can't do nothing for you.
You guys, I've been manifesting going to Rolling Loud for like 3 months, and backstory, I've never been to a concert of any kind a day in my life, like ever. And I just moved to Thailand, so a lot of cool people are hitting me up like, yo, are you going to Rolling Loud? And I'm just kind of like, yeah, maybe, maybe not, if it's willing. The desire and interest was there, but I stopped holding on to the outcome because there's other things going on in my life. Today is the last day to go to Rolling Loud, last day. And it's Songkran in Thailand, if I'm saying that correctly. So this whole country is turned up right now. I just received news from a beautiful ass friend, and she was just kind of like, yeah, you're going to Rolling Loud with me today. Come on. Just real quick for the copyright. Can I catch you? I literally manifested my very first concert to be a Rolling Loud performance while it's their first time ever being in Asia, and it's my first time ever moving to Thailand. And I'm not even surprised, I'm just extremely grateful. So y'all about to see a vlog soon. We going to Rolling Loud. Boom. Yeah. Yeah. Now I can catch you outside. Matter of fact, we catching us outside. What's poppin', Soul Tribe? It's your man Cooldmgent, aka y'all know the rest. I'm kicking it with Sammy, the magnificent. Isn't she? Just like this view. It's a little fuzzy out here. I don't know if it's something in the air or what, but y'all know we love looking at this view every day. And guess what? We are hitting Rolling Loud. Literally, we on the way. It's up. We was in a rush. We still kind of are, but right now we're taking a moment to just be present. So take this breath with me.
Show them Buddhas.
Ooh.
Show them Buddhas. Oh.
Yeah. Oh look, I thought you was hitting the pose or something. They know Big Buddha. They know Big Buddha. They know the Wild Dogs. They know all of this. We about to turn up, y'all. This is the calmest you gonna see me tonight. I think. We'll see. Let's roll.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
It's 6 o'clock. Performances are probably just now getting, feel me, the buzz. We got a buzz.
No, we are sad we missed DJ Wookit.
We're sad we missed DJ Wookit.
And they did him a little dirty and gave him an early spot, but I get it.
Yeah, so if you ever watch this, you need to know that you got somebody riding for you real hard. And everybody else, yeah,
Whole tribes, please.
this is life. I really don't know how to explain everything that's been happening over the past week. You just need to stay tuned and catch up or move here.
Shots of water.
Shots of water. We're out of here. It's your man Big Kuda. I'm on my way to Rolling Loud, and we are avoiding all of the cars that are splashing water on people. We're gonna try to get there without getting wet, too soaked. Happy Songkran. Welcome to Songkran. Welcome to Thailand, baby. We literally got my dog TravelRolling behind us, y'all. Yeah. You on your way there? Me too, bro. Exactly. Good luck with that, bro. I'll see you in a minute. First concert of my life, and I'm going. We got TravelRolling right behind us pulling up. It's a big event. The whole city is stepping out. It's packed car to car. They trying to throw water on people, but we not going for it. We ain't going for it, man.
Hey, go subscribe to TravelRolling, man. Showing y'all everything y'all need to see, man. Shout out to Cooldmgent as well. Yes, sir.
This how he pull up, man.
Yes, sir.
This how Travelversity pull up, man. We in Thailand with it. So Trav, we pulled up the Rolling Loud, and I was extremely nauseous from the ride. And when I was hyperventilating and things, this beautiful being right here, she called me. She wasn't nowhere near me. She called me up. She found me. She had her ride find me. She pulled me to the side and she meditated for us and reminded me to catch my breath. Now we're sitting over here in the dirt grounding. The festival is all the way over there. People are going everywhere, but we're right here, and this moment feels better than any fucking moment I've ever had today. Y'all may see her again on my vlog. Her name is Sammy. And
Soul Tribe, thank you for being such a beautiful energy in this world.
it's an important part of any video that I post today. Being here right now. Shout out to the other beautiful people who have contributed to this. Shout out to P and his business here in Thailand, his entertainment business, sponsoring me. Shout out to my brothers, all of my brothers and my sisters, blood sisters, my relatives that checked on me today without even knowing what was going on in my life. Shout out to the beautiful Natasha who took me out today, and I had a mukbang for the first time and ate all that lobster. That's probably what it is. I got a whole lot of coconut and lobster in my body right now. Shout out to the DMG Ohana. Yeah. So you guys, not only do we have Sammy here with us, shout out to Paris, by the way. You know who you are. Yeah, man. Shout out to all of the tribe. I really hope we get to turn up with all of these cool, amazing people. It's just something about when I turn the camera on, I get into go mode. Like, I was just so calm a moment ago, but now that I got this camera on, I know that you guys are with me, and I know that you guys feel me. Let me fill you in on where we at. This is the main entrance. Over there is all the lines for the cannabis. Now, what they're doing is they're only selling 2 companies of cannabis. So if you came in with cannabis, they're confiscating it. They're doing that so that they can obviously make money with the cannabis companies. I mean the Zot companies that they have, which is okay. Hi, Sawadika. And they have a couple of things that you can buy. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be over here this far, but y'all know Omni me. Cups. Guys, I really want some bread right now. I don't want any fruit. I don't want any French fries. I definitely don't want any rice. I just want bread, something that I want bread. I want a tongue scraper, and I want and I want hugs. That's all I want right now. I think truly that tonight is about to be amazing. It is amazing. Might sweat it out too, but whoa, look at my hair. I forgot my hair was up like this. I put it like this for the rod. We're about to take it down. Oh yes. DMG Ohana. DMG Ohana. Your hair is looking so good.
I don't know.
With that?
Yeah, I guess
Tribe,
so.
Is she Gucci?
I guess so.
Did she pass the vibe check, Tribe? We're gonna put this in Sammy mode.
I like this.
Big vibe.
Yeah. We have talked about it a little bit. Soul Trap, if you know from my previous videos, I've never been to a concert of any kind in my life before. So literally everything that we're about to experience is just first eye for me. She came a couple days ago, and when she told me she arrived, the first thing I asked was, why is it so quiet? Why don't I hear anything? That's because we're in this, wherever this is, I don't even know where we're going.
It's because it's a festival, so it's like,
oh, it's a festival.
People are here all day for like 3 days. They're ready to eat.
Damn.
Yeah.
Like kebab.
So he's never even been to a concert, a regular concert. And this is like a full festival. It's rolling loud. But it's, Have a good time. Have a good time. You too. Thank you. How do you guys, I lost my voice because I was rapping every single Rick Ross song last night like it was my job. And now I sound like Rick Ross.
What you saying, bro?
Oh man, I was like a fucking white chick in the street. I was like,
Oh, the white girl. The white girl racing.
oh my god.
Man.
No, that was me. That wasn't the girls.
Is this your first time coming to this? Run it up?
First time, darling. First time, darling.
Me too, man.
Let's go. Let's
you
go.
enjoy
What's your
it.
name, bro?
Cool.
Cool.
I got a rapper in
Oh,
my
yeah,
hand.
you're very cool, man.
Appreciate it, bro. What
I like
about
the shirt.
yourself?
I like the shirt with flossing.
Thank
We're
you.
flossing tonight, bro.
Yes, sir.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
America.
Oh,
Safe.
nice.
What about
man.
you?
You
Oh,
guys
I'm
are from Australia?
Perth, Western Australia.
Word.
Aussie.
Aussie gang.
Oh,
Aussie gang.
let's go.
No.
It's Chad, so C-H-A-D and then space, Satchel, S-A-T-C-H-E-L-L. Like
That's
the
your
bag,
Instagram?
just add one more L. Satchel, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, just a whole bunch of solo travelers following their dream, living their lives. Digital nomads. Say it again.
I'm the unemployed friend.
The unemployed friend. This is what the unemployed friends are doing on Saturday right now.
On a Tuesday.
On a Tuesday.
Brother Juice World. So we gotta fuck shit up!
No time.
Baby, that's my baby.
I appreciate y'all. It ain't no but respect. Check this out. Trap, where you at? Get here. We can do a little quick run back, kid, and then let the nigga get down here since he a fucking slowpoke. We talking about cryo, man. Let me get you. Hey, let me get fire. I want a lot of fire on this. Hey, the mosh pit's still open. Is y'all fucking ready? Look, now I don't condone no type of violence. I repeat, make sure your phones get this. Baby, don't condone no type of violence. But if by chance would it have nothing to do with me, if you feel like getting aggressive, right now is the time. How many NBA YoungBoy fans we got in Thailand? How many baby fans we got in Thailand? That's all the fuck I need to hear. Let's hit it.
You guys, I probably said this like 2 or 3 times on camera, but the best part of this night for me was the bonding moments. Was bonding. Yeah. I feel like to say it in real life. Fine in real life. Real in real life.
Do you in real life?
So I'm good. Everything else is icing to the cake. Oh no, I can fuck with y'all, yeah. No cap. Soul Tribe, we did not catch any of our other homies tonight. I'm sure they had an amazing time like we did. Me, Sam on the other hand, Sammy, we was lit. We was lit. I got hit in my balls earlier, y'all. This might be too much information, What I got?
I need 40 more.
Yeah, so them things is tingling in that one type of way. I think that's 40, yeah. Hey. I'm so grateful I attracted people and a person specifically tonight, but people in general who really care about my well-being. Like, even when I think I'm aware of what I'm aware of, because we don't know what we're not aware of, there's other people around who can navigate systems and peep stuff that you can't peep and all type of cool shit. It really feels good to have a system, a community, relationship. I'm not gonna cap. Travis brought everybody together. I mean, from him to go from the label that they placed on him over these past couple years, and don't get me wrong, some weird stuff has happened at his events before, but here I've never seen so many people rage in such a beautiful way. It wasn't even raging. They call it like mug bash or something like that. I don't know. It was like a beautiful ass circle, and you think somebody's about to bust out a dance move, and somebody might for a couple seconds, because I was in there trying to Harlem shake. But then once the beat drop, it goes from this big ass hype circle to Chief Keef, I'm a gorilla. To the zoo, okay. Like, but still in a fun way, like in a way where nobody's being hurt. You better not be jumping around in there if you're too small, but you feel me? That's what it's looking like, you guys. There's still so many people here. Everybody's walking in their directions, and Sam went to go get me a coconut. Shout out to Sammy. She went to go get a coconut for me because I needed that hydration back. Then we have your boy DMG Ohana. Oh. So you know Monday we about to make it back on the stock market. You know Monday we popping off. Omni-Me is reopening. Go ahead and get your sea moss and your holistic products from livingmagnetic.com. It's all spelled correctly, livingmagnetic.com. Check out the Omni-Me sea moss. We're back in business, baby. And I'm about to check my balls to make sure they're not squished, because a lot was happening.
Hello,